dear friends, this is MD Asgar. Welcome to new another parts video of Planet Automation Limited. Today I want to describe about asynchronous pulse generator. So friends, no more late, let's start the video. First, I want to describe in shortly what will you have in this video. What is asynchronous pulse generator? How does it apply in the logo PLC? Okay friends. So friends, let's go to the point of what is asynchronous pulse generator. This is a very interesting point and very useful in our practical application of logo PLC. And this application, when you are apply of this your PLC, this is and opposite as opposite of a cigarette moving relay. When you have seen of my previous video, that is absolutely I was described what is the cigarette relay, whiffing relay. Okay, that asynchronous pulse generator is the totally opposite of the cigarette whiffing relay. So friends, this is to have the parts of basically it's one is cigarette point and or it is enable times. Okay, this enable times you enable or disable the asynchronous pulse generator with the signal at input in. That means when you sense the signal in point, that is will be enabled, and operation will be two types of these sections in here is intervals, right? False word time is initially counted. False word time is initially counted, and then this intervals is off. Intervals is totally off to of your operation, and then again pulse word is generated. This kinds of and this is the continuous process automatically, and these devices have no any kinds of need for your break contact. This is the big facility of this synchronous pulse generator. First time this set, I want to set this time is 10 second. 10 second is the operating time. Okay, first time this is the on as on and then this is the off for 5 second. Okay, this is the operating time and this is the end time. Okay friends, I hope you understand. This is the operating time. This time is absolutely operated of your machine, of your industry, and this time will be off. Okay, as we are remaining of a synchronous asynchronous time for the any kinds of motor. When you synchronous time synchronous time and asynchronous time, asynchronous time and synchronous time. Okay, how you are operator of your motor, industrial motor that is sometimes 5 second or 5 second synchronous, and asynchronous time is need. From the initial time is 5 second for the motor rotating or starting time, and when you are stop of your motor, that is the initial stop to initial level, finish level, that was the 5 second we are set. This is the imagination of that procedure. Okay, this false wide time is absolutely for the operating time, and intervals this is the your end time. That means this time is not working, this is stopped, and when this duration will be finished, then again this time is automatically generated. Asynchronous, this device is asynchronous means is not parallel work, not synchronous, opposite of the synchronous. Okay. Synchronous means that this is the parallelly work, this is a smoothly work, not interruptible. Or asynchronous is as that this is not similarity. Okay, sometimes this is on and after sometimes this is off. Again this is on and off, on and off. This procedure is working here. So friends, this is the descriptions, or this is the definition of asynchronous time. This is the to the parts of this in here, the false word and interfalse word. False word, this is the generating time, or this is the operating time also, and intervals this is the off time. When intervals is off, then again false wide time or generating time will be start automatically. So viewers, this is the asynchronous time. What is asynchronous pulse generator? This is the asynchronous pulse generator. We have two kinds of first. This is the generated false void and interfalse void. False void is the generating time and interfalse void is the off time. Okay, when off time or off duration will be stopped and then will be continuous. Okay, so now how does it apply into logo PLC? So friends, let's go to the point, main parts of the video. Okay, as well as we are take a input, okay, then take a break contact. When you are seen of my previous video, that will be understand. And this is I want to take a memory. Okay, not previous output I want to or not. When you are on of your previous output that is always on, then I want to don't take up this devices here. Okay, I want to my absolute all devices under of this operating or this timer. Okay, that's why we uses every output after this timer. Okay, friends, now take a for this asynchronous pulse generator. Asynchronous 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 pulse generator. Pulse generator. Synchronous pulse generator. This is the timer for asynchronously work. That's why this is called the asynchronous. Sometimes it's on, sometimes it's off. Okay, so friends, I want to describe this. This is the one output and second output and third output. For clear concept, I take more output. After sometimes you will see. So friends, this is the program for asynchronous file generator. As well as you can use of your demand of your factory. It's depend on of you. Okay, this is the I take this is the number one motor 01. Okay, I take this and this will be motor 2. Motor 02. Okay, and this will be motor 3. Okay friends, this clear point more than clear. I take a more than output. Okay, so friends, let's go to the simulations here. What's going on, what is going on? Okay, so friends, now start of my program right now here. Firstly, all is on here for 10 seconds. All is on here. After 5 seconds it will be up. This is the program memory. Okay, this is not output, main output, and this all is output. After 5 seconds all will be automatically on. I don't touch of any kinds of my input or any kinds of sensor here. This is automatically on and this is automatically off. That's called the generator. It's like as this is the generate, this is the automatically generate. That's why it's called the generate. And asynchronous means it's not just simultaneously. This is not a parallel work. That's why this is called the synchronous. The false, this is the automatically false trigger rate. That's why it's called the false generator. Okay, so friends, I hope you guys understand asynchronous pulse generator. What is it? When you are operated of your factory automatically, at that time you are used to this point or is asynchronous pulse generator. Okay, this is not kinds of sensor. This is the automatically work. So this is a very big facility. This is the very big facility of a programmer of a. So friends, this is the application of asynchronous pulse generator. I hope you will absolutely understand. So friends, if you like of my video, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for never miss another update. So friends, no more today. For the next video tutorial, till then, Allah Hafiz.